Dun, 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 dun. I want to praise you. I want to praise you. I want to praise you like I should. Do you even get why I'm saying that? Do you even get it? Huh? Because the recipe is for a sandwich called Fat Boy Shrimp. That's a song by Fatboy Slim. Slim Shrimp? Huh? No? Crickets? Beep! Because you know you always do the beep after? Beep! Hey folks, I'm Matt from Fidel Gastro's and welcome to National Sandwich Month. That's right, an entire month devoted to the sandwich, that piece of bread stuffed with a lot of good stuff. There's monuments being erected, there's minstrels playing the flute, celebrating the sandwich. None of that's happening, but it's an opportunity to show you an OG FG sandwich that you can get from our food truck. I don't know if you knew this, but we drive food trucks once in a while. Sometimes we sell sandwiches on them. So this is the Fat Boy Shrimp. It's a lot of fun. Fried banh mi shrimp sandwich. It's fantastic. It's a fantastic sandwich. You're gonna love it. First, we're gonna make our banh mi slaw. Pour rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, and honey in a bowl, lightly season with salt, and then whisk. Then use your mandolin to shave ribbons of carrot and cucumber. Place it in the bowl of marinade so it can lightly pickle. Season with salt. Now we're going to fry our shrimp. Preheat your oil to 335 degrees Fahrenheit. In the first bowl, place some flour and lightly season with salt. Now grab your peeled shrimp and use one hand to place into the flour and then into the egg wash. Then use your other hand to transfer from the egg wash to the panko. Once all your shrimp are covered in panko, carefully place them into the fryer and let them cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. While the shrimp cooks, we're going to make our pineapple chili sauce. Grab a blender or food processor and combine raw garlic and pineapple. Blend until it's a pulp. Then add lemon, ketchup, and sriracha sauce. Blend again until it's a cocktail sauce consistency. Now we're going to build our sandwich. Grab a bread knife and cut the bun lengthwise, but leave it connected at the back. Stuff it with the pickled vegetables, and then fill it up with the nice fried shrimp. I've stuffed a solid 7 or 8 shrimp in this because it is the Fat Boy Shrimp after all. Then grab your sauce. I've placed mine into a squeeze bottle, or you can use a spoon and generously put all over the sandwich. Grab your cilantro and sesame seeds and garnish. All right, so we've made our Fat Boy Shrimp banh mi sandwich. It's super refreshing, got a little bit of spice to it, crispy bits of shrimp. I'm gonna crush. Hi, I'm at the Fidel Gastro's food truck. I'd like 1 Fat Boy Shrimp, please. There you go. Okay. That's exactly how it goes down the truck, just like that. What better way to celebrate National Sandwich Month, right? Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your favorite sandwich, maybe one you're gonna make for National Sandwich Month. Maybe it's this sandwich. Maybe I left you the recipe. Maybe it's in the description box below. It's a lot of maybes. Okay, go make sandwich. Go make a buona sandwich.